So I got one, and you're gonna put it on the plate. And we're gonna go ahead and close the bag and put it away. The next thing, step 2, we're gonna open our bag of cheese and put some on our tortilla. So I'm gonna put this down so we can see. So you're gonna open your cheese, pull it apart, and you're gonna put some on your tortilla. You're just gonna sprinkle it on here like this. So now my tortilla has cheese. Step 3 is close the bag and the cheese. Now we're gonna put the plate in the microwave and close the door. All right, our next step is to press time, and we're gonna put 100. We're gonna do 1 minute. So let me show you. On the microwave, we're gonna hit cook, and we're gonna hit 100 and hit start. Now we wait 1 minute. When we hear the timer go off, that's when it's done. So we're gonna put it in for 1 minute and wait until we hear the beep. Miss Libby's gonna go ahead and put her cheese up so she's clean. We have about 27 more seconds. Let me show you. So remember, we're waiting for the beep, and that is how we know it's done. We have about 10 more seconds. All right, we have 3, 2, 1. All right, so we heard the beep, so that's how we know it's done. So now we're gonna open the microwave and get the plate out, but we have to be careful because it might be a little hot. So Miss Libby's gonna open the door and get out her tortilla. Then we're gonna close the microwave. Be careful because the cheese and tortilla may be a little hot, but the last step, step number 8, we're gonna fold our tortilla in half. You're just gonna lay it like this, and it is ready to eat. Good job, guys.